This is how to keep your cryptocurrency safe and revoke access to decentralized applications or dApps that wish to interact with your cryptocurrency for an unlimited amount of time. Smart contracts are always getting hacked and crypto protocols are always getting hacked. So you don't want to have these applications having access to your crypto for an unlimited amount of time. So here's how you revoke access to it on the Binance Smart Chain. So revoking a dApp or smart contract from interacting with your tokens is actually very simple on Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain has something called BSC scan, and that's where all the transactions that happen on this blockchain are found. Alright, it's a fork of Ethereum and the website is bscscan.com. Now I will leave this website in the description so you have easy access to it. So just look down below. But it's called BSC scan token approvals. And what you would do here, if you want to revoke access to a decentralized application from your own wallet, you will come here and you would click search address. And in this search bar, you would enter your own wallet. Now, for the tutorial of this video, I'm going to show you somebody else's wallet. All right, I'm going to show you one of Mark Cuban's wallets. But you can still understand, you will still understand how to revoke tokens at the end of this video if you keep watching. All right, so let's enter in, not that that's the website, but let's enter in Mark Cuban's wallet. So we now entered in Mark Cuban's wallet, and do you see all these transactions here? Now what's very messed up is some of these transactions may actually be scam tokens. Okay, they may actually be tokens that Mark Cuban didn't interact with, but people sent to him. All right, and if he interacts with those tokens, he can get his whole account liquidated. All right, all his crypto will be drained from his account because these cryptocurrencies are built. The smart contract for these cryptocurrencies are built to scam you, to drain your funds. All right, that's why I say this is the wild west of cryptocurrency. There's not a lot of regulation. There's a lot of crazy things happening, but a lot of these may actually not even be scam tokens because it says an unlimited amount. All right, meaning he actually interacted and used PancakeSwap, as you see, that's the approved spender, to actually interact with these tokens and buy these tokens. All right, my boy Mark Cuban has been doing a lot of degen plays. As you see, all these are unlimited spend. All right, he never canceled these. He never withdrew access, revoked access from these tokens. All right, and if he wanted to do this, we can't do it because it's not our wallet, but if he wanted to, it's very easy, plain and simple. All you would have to do is go here and click revoke. All right, it says connect to the wallet, the address owner wallet. Obviously, like I said, we can't do it, but if we wanted to, we would just come here. If we were Mark Cuban, we would come here and we would click connect to Web3 on the left hand side. After we click that, it's gonna prompt us to select if we want to use Wallet Connect or MetaMask. We only use MetaMask right here. This is DeFi. MetaMask is DeFi. We don't really mess with any other wallet but MetaMask. So we're gonna click connect our wallet. We would then click next here, and we're gonna connect our wallet. It says please switch to the BSC mainnet. So you need to make sure that you're switched to the BSC mainnet in your MetaMask. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So we are gonna switch from Polygon here to the Binance Smart Chain. Pretty simple, all right? Now that we've done that, we would then be able to come here and click revoke access. It would then prompt us to, prompt us in our MetaMask to accept the transaction, and then we would then accept the transaction in our hardware wallet. If you use one, I use a Ledger Nano S. I really suggest that you use a hardware wallet when you're doing all these risky DeFi plays, because DeFi is still risky, it's still being built. But that's plain and simple how you would do it right there, how you would revoke access on the Binance Smart Chain. It's very similar to the Polygon scan Polygon chain and the Ethereum mainnet. I've already done 2 videos where I covered Ethereum and Polygon, so if you want to check that out, at the end of this video I'll show one of those 2 videos so you can see that if you use Polygon or if you use Ethereum, but the process is basically the same. Like I said, Binance Smart Chain, this BSC scan here is a fork of the Ether scan, so it looks all the same. The whole UI and UX, user interface, user experience, basically the same. But that's how I have for you. If you want to buy Binance Smart Chain tokens, the easiest way to probably do it for the lowest transaction fees would be Gate.io. I have my referral link in the description, so if you want to make a Gate.io account, you don't already have one, you can make sure to use that. You get a little bit of free crypto when you do sign up. But that's all I have for y'all today. Y'all have a blessed day.